What is the name of the 1-cent coin in the United States? Penny, nickel, dime, quarter. The correct answer is penny. Which famous painting by Johannes Vermeer is often called the Mona Lisa of the North? The Night Watch, Girl with a Pearl Earring, The Milkmaid, The Birth of Venus. The correct answer is Girl with a Pearl Earring. Alexandria is an ancient city located in which modern-day country? Greece, Egypt, Turkey, Lebanon. The correct answer is Egypt. Which famous landmark was originally built as the entrance arch to a World's Fair? Big Ben, Eiffel Tower, Arc de Triomphe, Leaning Tower of Pisa. The correct answer is Eiffel Tower. In which country was H&M founded? Sweden, Germany, United States, France. The correct answer is Sweden. What is the title of the autobiography written by musician Shania Twain? From This Moment On, Walk This Way, Between the Lines, To Hell and Back. The correct answer is From This Moment On. How do dingo dogs typically communicate with each other? Barking, roaring, howling, hissing. The correct answer is howling. On which continent are dingoes found in the wild? Africa, Europe, Australia, South America. The correct answer is Australia. During which period of Earth's history did the Glyptodon live? Age of Dinosaurs, Ice Age, Bronze Age, Stone Age. The correct answer is Ice Age. Which of these elements would be most likely to melt on a hot summer day? Iron, copper, gallium, nickel. The correct answer is gallium. Which physical trait gave the legendary cynocephali their name? Wings like birds, dog-like heads, lion-like bodies, fish tails. The correct answer is dog-like heads. The Hindu Kush mountain range is mainly located in which two countries? India and Nepal, Pakistan and Afghanistan, China and Mongolia, Iran and Iraq. The correct answer is Pakistan and Afghanistan. What is the only continent that lies entirely in the southern hemisphere? South America, Africa, Antarctica, Australia. The correct answer is Antarctica. Which animal has the longest migration route on Earth? Monarch butterfly, humpback whale, Arctic tern, wildebeest. The correct answer is Arctic tern. Which ocean is the deepest in the world? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is Pacific Ocean.